Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Sims Mobile application. To log into Sims Mobile, you'll first need to download and install the Sims Mobile app. Make sure you have downloaded the Sims Mobile application on your device, and once you've done that, launch the app open. If you haven't logged in before, or if you're logging into Sims Mobile on a new device, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on this little white arrow on the right hand side of the screen. This will then pop you open your settings menu. You can log into your account by signing in with Apple, connect to Facebook, or connect to your Electronic Arts account, or even sign into your Twitter account. Choose any one option you'd like to log in with. I'm gonna choose the Electronic Arts Connect option. Simply tap the connect button right next to Electronic Arts and then enter your email address associated with Electronic Arts account. Once you are done, tap on confirm. Now enter the verification code that you received via email. Open up your email inbox and you will receive a verification code sent to you via EA. Now simply enter the code that you received from your inbox and click on verify. Once you've linked your game to EA account, you can now save your game progress. You can also connect with Apple, Facebook, or Twitter if you want to log in with any other social sites. So that is how you can easily log in to Sims Mobile in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.